Fill the details to create your account. Now, click the Continue button to proceed with the consent. Next up, click the Continue. Following that, accept all the privacy policy checkboxes. Click Select All to quickly include specific categories expenses. Add some hotspot text here. You can add custom expense category too. Click the Next button, then click the Next button. Click on Add Team Members button to invite your first team members. Click the Invite User button. Enter following details and assign role. Click the Close button. Click My Expenses. Create expenses. You can upload single or multiple bills at once. Select the expenses to form a claim. Click on Create New Claim button. You have to review the expenses and assign an approver to the claim. Next, click the Create Claim button to submit the selected expenses for approval. Next up, click on My Claims to view and manage all submitted expense claims. After that, click the eye icon to view the full details of the claim. You can review all the claim details. After that, you can close it. Click Approvals to review and manage pending expense claim approvals. You can review the expense claim details. From here, click the Approve button to authorize and process the selected expense claim. Click on View Approved History to see all approved claims. Select the claim and click the Process Payment button. Enter the payment details. Click on Confirm Payment. Click on three dots icon and select Edit option. You can change the status and other details from here.